Whether you are sewing shoes at home for personal use or manufacturing shoes for commercial purposes, a good sewing machine is essential for your work. Your working tools, such as shoe sewing machines, will determine the quality of your products. In this video, we're going to highlight which sewing machine is best for sewing shoes. Here at Women's Corner Zone, we are a bunch of products researcher. We test, analyze and research new products and create a list of top 5 best products based on their price, quality, features, sales volume, and most important part is user feedback. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the right decision. And now let's dive into video. Starting of our list at number 5 is the Tippmann Boss with Master Crafter sewing machine. If you want to keep it old school, the Tippmann Boss leather sewing machine is our best manual sewing machine to tackle all your different shoe projects. The Tippmann Boss leather sewing machine gives you the ability to sew through various types of material, like leather up to 3 to 4 inches thick. You can also tackle nylon, canvas, urethane, plastic, and even sheepskin. Especially if you're working with a very detailed pattern on your shoe, you'll be fully equipped with the Tippmann Boss leather sewing machine. This machine gives you not only consistency but also accuracy in every stitch. Designed with rugged cast aluminum housing, the Tippmann Boss leather sewing machine is also quite durable in its design, with a 1-year warranty on all parts and labor and a 30-day money-back guarantee. At number 4 is the YEQIN leather patcher industrial sewing machine. The YEQIN MS2972 is a great pick if you're looking for a manual sewing machine with a bit of oomph. With a sewing speed of 500 SPM, this leather stitch sewing machine is fast but also easy to use. All one must do is move the smaller handle. This triggers the needle's direction, making it possible to sew together projects that need 360-degree rotation. The needle itself will move back and forth, as well as side to side. If you're planning on repairing thick materials, which, if you're working with shoes, you'll need the power of the YEQIN MS2972 to sew through leather, rubber, plastic, and even canvas. Looking for the proper material to work with when powering through leather, this sewing machine works with threads of nylon, polyester and cotton. You can also choose between the 2 types of shuttles, either large or small, making it suitable for any sized project. Top 3 at our list is the Sailrite heavy-duty ultra-feed sewing machine. When one is looking out for a shoe sewing machine, he or she expects it to go past rugged fabrics. Therefore, cheap and regular sewing machines won't meet the expectations of a shoemaker. However, this Sailrite sewing machine would prove useful to all your demands. You might be taken aback by the price of the machine, but believe us, it is worth all the money. The expensive sewing machine is worth every penny and gives out productive results every time to throw an intricate project towards it. The machine is easy to use and easier to understand. The instruction manual that comes along with the machine is easy to understand, making it easy for the user to understand the dynamics of the sewing machine. It is capable of undertaking all kinds of basic sewing projects along with intricate ones. All of this, without breaking a sweat. This sewing machine includes the ultra-feed wooden base, power plus balance wheel, easy set stitch length plate, electronic foot control, thread stand, sewing machine oil, 4 bobbins, guidebook, an ultra-feed setup, use and maintenance DVD, and more. Moving up at number 2 is the Juki DNU-1541 industrial sewing machine. The machine is very well built, and you will be delighted to find that it comes with its own mounting table. As far as the function is concerned, as the name suggests, this is a high-quality industrial machine. It is capable of sewing with the thickest threads and sews through all kinds of materials, be it light, medium, or heavy duty. This machine comes pre-assembled, so that is one headache out of the way. Even the table comes partially assembled. The only real work that you need to do is mount the machine on the table. That is not much of a fuss, as everything you need comes along with the machine. The machine can stitch up to a professional speed of 2,500 stitches per minute. With an adjustable stitch length of 9 mm, you can work with it as you wish. Furthermore, the stitch quality is superb. You will find no missed stitches or irregularities. The machine also has a brilliant walking foot mechanism. This ensures that the piece you are working with is fed evenly into the machine. And at number 1 is the Janome HD3000 heavy-duty mechanical sewing machine. Just as its name suggests, the machine is built to work on the industrial grade. It can undertake all types of heavy-duty sewing assignments without throwing any tantrums or creating any hiatus. The Janome HD3000 is rated as our best sewing machine for decorative sewing, which might be necessary when working with shoes. With its easy-to-use function, the Janome HD3000 has an automatic needle threader and jam-proof top-loading bobbin system, which is great when you're working with thicker material, which you often are when working with shoes. Designed with industrial grade in mind, this machine can easily tackle your heaviest of shoe sewing assignments. The powerful motor, which reaches speeds of 860 SPM, is quite high for its price range and market value. This makes it a great choice no matter what your budget is and the size of your project. The Janome HD3000 also is designed with a heavy-duty metal frame, making it a perfect choice for heavier materials, like the ones found on shoes. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.